The following segment is sponsored by Utah Arts Festival. Now, if you have ever wished that the Utah Arts Festival was around a lot longer, well, you are in luck today, because Amy's here to tell us all about the festival's new studio tours. Welcome, Amy. It's nice to have you on the show.
Thanks for having me.
This is really cool. This is new for the Arts Festival. What is the Utah Arts Festival Studio Tour? So
it's a weekend of a statewide open studio tours with 130 artists. So we've got artists from Ivans to Hyde Park, from Mount Olympus to Magna, so a lot of great places to go visit.
That's a lot of artists. So it's not just downtown where the festival usually takes place.
Absolutely.
You go to these facilities.
Yeah.
How do people get more information about planning the studio tour?
So on our website, uaf.org/studio tour, you can download the mobile studio tour pass, and that's got an interactive map, a searchable database of all of the artists. Everything you need to know is right there.
So is the studio tour, is it going to appeal to maybe somebody who's more of a casual interest in art?
I think it will appeal to everybody. I think the goal of this is to really get people out into the artist studios and see how they work, see the materials, see the organization, or maybe the lack of organization, just see the artistic process in progress, and that's kind of the goal.
It might spark some of that artistic, creative stuff in somebody, and of course for the professionals, it's a no-brainer.
Yeah. I hope many of the professionals are participating and sharing their art with others, but it is a little bit of a way to see what's out there and what's new and what's happening, what's trending.
Is that why the Utah Arts Festival is holding the studio tour?
It's mostly to, I think, have a different opportunity. I mean, we've got very limited days during the Utah Arts Festival to get people excited and see how art works, to see that process. And so this is a way to support artists, promote the arts, and enhance the lives of our community members across the state.
You mentioned a ton of places that you can go and see. What types of art will people see on this studio tour?
All kinds. There's jewelry, there'll be sculpture, there'll be woodworking, painting, drawing, all kinds of stuff. Anything you can imagine.
Now you're the executive director. What's your favorite thing?
Oh my goodness. Well, I buy a lot of jewelry, of course. I mean, my walls are getting a little bit full of all of the art, but
there's some great jewelry out there.
I mean, there's some great stuff. So I have to transition to wearable.
Awesome. Where can people go for more information about art studio tours?
So they can go to uaf.org/studio tour.
uaf.org/studio tour. Awesome. Amy, it's so great to have you on the show. The Utah Arts Festival is one of our favorites, and we appreciate all that you do for Utah.
We appreciate you all.
Thank you so much. Come on the show anytime.
Okay, thank you.